away they go. Capretiosa from the outside. Vermont down on the inside. Rockefeller Musashi. Doña Venancia is running by the row. Capretiosa by about 2 lengths. Vermont running in second. And on the outside is Musashi, moving up by the Doña Venancia. In between runners, Rockefeller. She's gorgeous. Idol, Borong Favorite Channel, and Be Cool is running at the tail of the field. And inside the last 700, Capretiosa, Vermont, Rockefeller racing on the outside. Third, Doña Venancia. Fourth, fifth belongs to Musashi. Then comes Idol, Borong, she's gorgeous, and Favorite Channel, Be Cool still bring up the rear. And as they race the last 550, Vermont by a neck, Rockefeller on the outside. As they swing for Vermont, Rockefeller fighting it out for the lead. Rockefeller, Vermont hopping and popping for the lead. Rockefeller, Vermont running by the rail. And Capretiosa, she's gorgeous, and Doña Venancia. And nearing the finish line, Rockefeller overpowering Vermont. Third, Favorite Channel, Capretiosa, Doña Venancia, she's gorgeous, Musa.